In front of me is Xiaomi Redmi 9A, and today I would like to show you how you can change apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Privacy Protection. Then hit All Permissions and tap on one of those features to manage it. Now select an app you wish to manage under one of those sections. Click on one of those options and go back. If you want to manage permissions for one of your apps, select it, hit All Permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for a chosen app the same way. Watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!